Yep. I want to record it so it can see us washing our clothes for our newspaper.
One time I was reading one of these comics in here, and it said, it won't work.
I need more quarters.
But it was talking about, like, he's like, I wish that baby would stop crying. I mean, I can't sleep with it screaming and yelling like that. And then he's like, it like has him showing just sitting there, like staring straight ahead. And then it says, maybe I should untie the ropes. I was like, that's cool.
Fuck, I need 3 more quarters. I don't have no fucking chance. God damn it!
Motherfucker. Paris and Nicole.
Yeah, I saw that.
I know who they are.
Oh yeah, I know. I was their MySpace. At first, I thought that was about
Paris and Richie and
Nicole.
Hooker.
Paris, Hilton, and Nicole Bruce.
I like that show, The Simple Life, but they bothered the shit out of me.
I never saw that show.
It shows it on E all the time, and I always watch it.
I've never seen it.
Hold on, let's find something else to watch.
Alright. This is what people in Lemon Valley do for fun. That needs to be washed.
It's unidentified sticky substance.
Ew. Ew, and it's like a wash rag too. Okay, let's find some more stuff.
Okay.
Let's go outside. Hey, wanna wash your picture? She's a dirty girl.
It's a dirty thing.
Oh.
You know what's kind of weird?
What?
How like they have an exhibit about Andy Warhol in Reno. Wait, nobody really gives a shit about Andy Warhol in Reno.
Yeah.
All they care about is getting stoned.
Let's see. What else around here needs to be washed? Why are there McDonald's bags in every garbage can?
I don't know.
Yeah, that needs to be washed.
Because that's the main source of sustenance for the Lemon Valley population.
There we go. Alright. That rug needs to be washed, but I don't know if the people would like it very much if we tried to wash it.
Yeah. Probably not.
See? Fucking God damn it, McDonald's.
McDonald's and Starbucks taking over the world.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think it is. Oh. I need to call Mommy Dearest. Have you ever seen that movie?